How's it going everyone? I'm Ryan here back with another video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Redmi Airdots. Now these earphones, Bluetooth earphones, have been popping on the internet for quite a while. These are 5.0 Bluetooth true wireless earphones. Now on the back we just have, Chinese and everything. It's 5.0 Bluetooth. It has a charging, two earphones, and that's it. Let's open it up. So here we are. I'm gonna pull it out.
She said.
Michael, please.
Yeah. So here are the actual AirPods. Do we have anything else? Yes, we do. We have an instruction manual, which is in Chinese. There's no English. It's just Chinese. So it's just Chinese, and here are the Airdots. Here we have them. So let's pull it out. So here it is. These are the Redmi Airdots. There's like this Redmi embedded on the plastic. This case is a 300 million power, storage. And what is that? TWS. Okay, Redmi Airdots. After that, here is from where we charge the AirPods, and then here are the actual earbuds. Now let's see what do we have in the packaging. We have this earbuds, and that's it. So we get these Airdots and some earbuds in this package. So first of all, let's check out the earbuds. Here we are with the earbuds. As you can see in the case, this is a charging case as well. I'm gonna pull the sticker out. So yeah, and I'm gonna pull the sticker out too. As you can see here, I'm gonna put it here. Let's do the same with the other AirDot. Is the other sticker. Let's pull it out too. So here we are. These are the two earbuds. Now in order to pair them, you just have to long press this button, and there we are. They will pair with your device with this button, and that's it. That's what you gotta do. After that, when you will put them back in their case, they will turn off themselves. Here we go, and here we go. Now they're turned off, both of them. Now you're just gonna turn off the case. That's it, they're charging. Now when you open the case back up, they will auto turn on. That's it. The stickers and everything. Here are the actual Airdots with the Redmi logo on it. Now the charging case is a 300 million power battery storage, and the Airdots themselves are 40 million power battery storage. Now when you will open the case up, they're gonna turn on themselves, and you can just connect them with your device and they'll be good to go for playing the music. Now when you pull them out, they are turned on. And now when you pull them back in, push them back in, they will be turned off like this, as you can see, and now they are charging. So yeah guys, let's check out the sound quality for the Airdots. Now the sound quality on these two is pretty great as compared to these AirPods. The sound quality is pretty amazing. So yeah, this is definitely a 5-star for these AirPods. So you should check them out and everything. The link is in description. You can buy them from Lazada, Daraz.pk, etc. Peace out.